Interos continuously monitors your entire supplier network, including sub-tier suppliers, to identify a wide range of risk events and disruptions to your operations. Configurable email alerts, such as this production disruption alert, notify you of a potential problem, including which suppliers have been affected and the connections to your business. Clicking on View Company Profile takes you into the Interos platform, where you can learn more about the impacted supplier. The supplier's event feed includes the source of the alert, enabling you to quickly evaluate the severity of the disruption and identify all of the connections between that supplier and your business. The affected supplier could be a direct supplier or a sub-tier supplier further up your supply chain. Knowing which of your suppliers have business relationships with the affected company is key to efficient response activities, allowing you to focus your mitigation and remediation efforts on all of the suppliers that could be impacted by the production disruption in their upstream supply chains. Further refine the focus of your response by filtering supplier-buyer relationships to those suppliers that are most important to you, such as the suppliers and partners supporting your line of business. The relationship map will narrow the field to those suppliers where the event could lead to a disruption, such as a shortage of parts for your product. Now that you have your focused list of suppliers, you can export your target list, or use Interos' native integrations into supplier management or other risk solutions to kick off emergency response plans and reduce the impact of the disruption to your organization. Whether you're conducting due diligence on new suppliers, monitoring existing suppliers for threats or disruption events, or assessing risk across your entire supply chain, Interos delivers the most current risk intelligence you need to build a more resilient business.